The 30-day declutter challenge. Look around your home right now. Do you see piles of stuff everywhere? Clothes draped over chairs, kitchen counters buried under random items? You're not alone. The average American home contains over 300,000 items. That's not a typo, 300,000 things filling our living spaces. But here's the thing, all that clutter isn't just taking up physical space, it's mentally exhausting you, making decisions harder, and stealing your peace of mind. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reclaim your space and your sanity with a proven 30-day system that breaks this overwhelming task into manageable daily actions. Imagine walking into your home and feeling instant calm instead of stress. Picture finding what you need immediately instead of searching through piles of stuff. Research shows that people living in organized spaces have lower cortisol levels, better sleep quality, and increased productivity. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about transforming your entire life experience. The beauty of the 30-day approach is that you're never overwhelmed. Instead of trying to tackle everything in one exhausting weekend, you'll spend just 15 to 30 minutes each day on a specific area. Let's dive into the system. Week 1 is all about quick win spaces that give you immediate satisfaction and build momentum for the bigger challenges ahead. Day 1 starts with your junk drawer. Yes, that drawer. Everyone has one, and it's the perfect place to practice the core decluttering decision-making process you'll use throughout the month. For every item, you'll ask 3 questions. Do I use this regularly? Does it spark joy or serve a purpose? Would I buy this again today? If the answer is no to all 3, it goes. Days 2 through 4 tackle your bathroom medicine cabinet, under the sink, and shower area. You'll be amazed how many expired products and unused items are hiding in these small spaces. Days 5 through 7 focus on your closet's low-hanging fruit shoes you never wear, clothes with tags still on, and items that no longer fit your lifestyle or body. By the end of week 1, you've already transformed 7 distinct areas. You're building what I call declutter confidence, the belief that you can actually conquer this challenge. Week 2 moves into your kitchen, the heart of your home, and often the biggest clutter magnet. This is where the system really proves its worth. You'll tackle 1 cabinet or drawer per day, starting with the easiest areas, like your utensil drawer, then moving to more challenging spaces like your gadget cabinet or pantry. Here's where you'll discover the rule of multiples. Do you really need 5 can openers, 3 sets of measuring cups, or 12 coffee mugs for a 2-person household? The kitchen teaches you to be honest about your actual cooking habits versus your aspirational ones. That bread maker gathering dust? The specialty gadget used once? Time to let them go. Week 3 tackles your office and paperwork areas that create mental clutter even when they're not visible. This week is about creating systems, not just removing items. You'll create simple filing systems, digitize important documents, and finally deal with that pile of papers that's been haunting your desk for months. This is also when you'll tackle sentimental items, the hardest category for most people. Remember, keeping everything meaningful makes nothing feel special. Week 4 focuses on your living spaces areas where clutter affects your daily relaxation and social interactions. These spaces should support how you actually live, not how you think you should live. You'll evaluate every decorative item, book, and piece of furniture. Does it contribute to the atmosphere you want, or is it just taking up space because it's always been there? By day 28, you'll have transformed every major area of your home. But the real magic happens in the final 2 days when you see how everything connects. Days 29 and 30 are for final touches and creating maintenance systems. This isn't about perfection, it's about creating sustainable habits that prevent future clutter accumulation. Now, let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes people make during decluttering challenges, because avoiding these will make or break your success. Mistake number 1, trying to do too much too fast. The daily assignments might seem small, but resist the urge to do 3 days worth in one session. You'll burn out. Mistake number 2, keeping items just in case. If you haven't used something in the past year and can't imagine a specific scenario where you'd need it, let it go. Mistake number 3, simply moving clutter around instead of removing it. Every item you decide to keep must have a designated home, not just a different pile. Here's an advanced tip that will accelerate your progress. Involve your household members and create donation pickup schedules. When others see your transformation, they'll want to join in. Document your progress with photos. You'll be amazed at how much you accomplish each day, and these images will motivate you when the process feels slow. Another game changer. Set a timer for each session. Knowing you only have to work for 20 minutes makes starting easier, and you'll often find yourself continuing beyond the timer. Create mini rewards for yourself. After completing each week, do something special: buy fresh flowers, take a relaxing bath, or enjoy your favorite coffee in your newly organized space. Remember, this challenge isn't just about stuff, it's about creating space for what matters most in your life. Every item you remove makes room for experiences, relationships, and peace of mind. You'll discover that decluttering is really about learning to trust your own judgment and getting clear on your values. What do you want your home to say about who you are? As you go through this process, you're not just organizing objects, you're practicing decision-making skills that will improve every area of your life. By day 30, you'll have developed what I call clutter immunity, the ability to recognize and remove excess before it takes over your space again. The ripple effects are incredible. People report better relationships, increased creativity, improved focus, and even better physical health after completing this challenge. So here's your call to action. Pick your start date and commit to just one small area tomorrow. You don't need perfect conditions or the ideal storage solutions to begin. Start with that junk drawer, spend 15 minutes, and apply the 3 questions to every single item. You'll be amazed at how good it feels to complete just that one small space. Remember, your home should be a sanctuary that supports your dreams, not a storage unit that drains your energy. 30 days from now, you can be living in that sanctuary. The only question is, will you start today?